The ears are remarkable organs that enable us to perceive the world of sound and communicate effectively with our surroundings. These intricate organs allow us to hear and interpret, help maintain balance and orientation. Unfortunately, the ears can become damaged due to various conditions and diseases, and hearing loss can occur. A whisper test is one of the assessments used to evaluate hearing loss in patients. By measuring the patient's ability to hear low-level sounds or whispering voices at varying distances, it helps establish the degree of the hearing impairment. This assessment tool can help healthcare providers determine the best course of treatment for their patients. It is used to help diagnose various hearing conditions including age-related hearing loss, chronic ear infections, acoustic neuroma, and more. To use our whisper test, follow these steps. Download our whisper test from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Explain to your patient that the whisper test is a hearing assessment used to measure their ability to hear low-level sounds. Ensure they understand the purpose of the assessment and provide them with any additional information as needed. Next, begin the whisper test. Use the steps listed on our free template to perform the test. Make sure the patient is comfortable throughout the procedure. Once this test is completed, record the results on the template and use them as part of your overall assessment. Discuss the results of the whisper test from your patient. Provide them with any additional information about the results and answer any questions they may have. Here is a sample of our whisper test, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our whisper test, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.